You're done.
Yeah.
Well, have a good weekend, Tim. Yeah, you know, we probably could use another hand drop that engine in if you're free.
Completely free. I love parties. Is there a theme? I could bring jerky.
You say you would eat, Al.
Take action against flags in dark circles. Now that Head and Shoulders, a conditioner with a brand new formula that contains the same anti-dandruff ingredient as your Head and Shoulders shampoo, leaving you with beautifully soft and shiny hair. A new range of Head and Shoulders conditioners complements your Head and Shoulders shampoo.
He came to you, Doug.
No